In this video, you'll learn how to use the marking menu in Fusion 360. The marking menu is a radial menu that provides you with quick access to frequently used commands. Right-click anywhere on the canvas and the marking menu will appear around your cursor. In the Design workspace, you'll see these 8 default commands. Repeat the last command you used, delete, press pull, undo, redo, move copy, whole, and sketch. Drag your cursor over any of these commands, then click anywhere in the highlighted wedge to activate the command. If you move the cursor over Sketch for a moment, the second level radial menu will open around your cursor. Here, you can access common sketch tools like Line, Offset, Project, Sketch Dimension, Fit Point Spline, Center Diameter Circle, 2-point Rectangle, or Finish Sketch once your sketch is complete. Move the cursor over the up arrow to return to the first level radial menu. Finally, a context menu appears below the radial menu and contains navigation controls like Pan, Zoom, and Orbit, Isolate or Unisolate, a list of workspaces to make it easier to switch on the fly, and your saved shortcut keys like Extrude, Fillet, and Thicken. The commands that appear in the marking menu change for each workspace, toolbar tab, contextual environment, and active command. This helps you access the tools you need in context with the speed of a mouse button click. For instance, in the Design workspace, if you switch from the Solid tab to the Surface tab, the Whole command is replaced by Patch. And when the Sheet Metal tab is active, the Flange command appears instead. In the Generative Design workspace, you'll see commands that help you set up generative studies. In the Render workspace, you'll see commands related to appearances, textures, scenes, and rendering. In the Animation workspace, you'll see commands that help you set up and share animations. In the Simulation workspace, you'll see commands that help you set up simulation studies. In the Manufacture workspace, the marking menu itself is limited to Repeat, Undo, Redo, and Import, but you'll find a more extensive context menu for setting up and managing toolpaths. In the Drawing workspace, you'll see commands that help you document and annotate your design, as well as annotation tools in the context menu. And in the Form contextual environment, you'll see the Edit Form and Face commands. If you access the sketch tools from the marking menu, you can speed up your workflow significantly. Click the Create Sketch icon, then pick a plane to start a new sketch. Now right-click anywhere in the canvas to bring up the marking menu. From here, you have a few options to draw a 2-point rectangle. Click the command in the context menu. Use the keyboard shortcut R, which is listed next to the command in the context menu. Or expand the Sketch second level radial menu and drag the mouse to the upper right to select it. This last option may seem like more work at first, but let's look at one more productivity feature built into the marking menu: gestures. For commands you use frequently, you'll start to memorize their location in the marking menu. Gestures let you select them without bringing up the full marking menu. This is especially helpful for the Sketch second level radial menu. To access the Sketch commands, right-click, hold, and drag down first, then in the direction of where the command appears in the Sketch second level radial menu. So to activate the 2-point rectangle command, you'll drag down, then to the upper right. You'll drag in an L shape for the Fit Point Spline command, straight down for the Line command, down and to the left for the Offset command, and so on. To finish your sketch, drag down and then halfway up. Try this with the 2-point rectangle. Right-click, hold, drag quickly down then to the upper right, and let go when the command appears. Draw a rectangle, then right-click, hold, and drag quickly to the right to choose OK. Right-click, hold, and drag quickly down, then halfway up to choose Finish Sketch. Once you finish your sketch, note these gestures also work for other marking menu commands like Press Pull, as well as any of the active commands actions like Cancel and OK. Now you know how to use the marking menu to access commands quickly in Fusion 360. Thanks for watching!